ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेमदेवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः।
36th कारिका we are seeing तस्मादेवं विदित्वैनम् अद्वैते योजये स्मृतिम्. What is the meaning of the word enam? Evam means through sadhana chatushtaya and shravanam mananam nididhyasana. Advaite smritim yojayet. So after sadhana chatushtaya and shravanam mananam, one should do nididhyasana. Advaitam samanuprapya jadaval lokamacharya. So this can be understood in two ways. Advaitam samanuprapya, having attained Advaitam jadaval lokamacharya. This is one. और अद्वैत समाप्राप्त्यर्थम जड़वल लोकमाचर्य. Because once I am already established in Advaita, then I should act like Jada is one thing. But to become established in Advaita, also I will have to do Jadavat Lokamacharana. Means I should not do Swaprakhyapana. I should not let others know who I am, what I am doing, so that my vyavahar will be minimum anywhere. Tika on page number 122. Advaitam ityadi uttarardham vibhajate. So that we saw in Bhashya. Now further in Tika. जड़ सदृशस्य कथम लोकाचरणम अबुद्धिपूर्वकारी कारित्वात् इति आशंका. जड़ सदृशस्य, person who is like a jada, कथम लोकाचरणम अबुद्धिपूर्वकारित्वात्. बुद्धिपूर्वकारी मीन्स ए वाइज पर्सन. बुद्धि पूर्वम यस्य आचरणम सह बुद्धिपूर्वकारी. और बुद्धि पूर्वम कृत्वा कार्यम करोति सह बुद्धिपूर्वकारी. फर्स्ट थॉट थिंकिंग, then only doing. Abuddhiपूर्वकारी means no thinking, just do something. They are called jada in this samsara. So jada sadrishasya katham lokacharanam abuddhiपूर्वकारित्वात्. सेकंड नंबर टिप्पणी, लोकाचरणम लोक व्यवहार अनुकूल व्यवहार. इति आशंक्य सर्वलोक व्यवहार अतीतो भवे. लोक व्यवहार व्यवहारान अतीत्य विदुषो जड़वद आचरणम कीदृशम. If this question comes, that going beyond loka vyavahara, wise person should live like jada, jadavad acharanam कीदृशम. इति अपेक्षाया चतुर्थम पादम अनुद्य तात्पर्यम आह. So quoting the fourth pada, what is the तात्पर्यम? एवं विदः अहम इति आत्मानं विद्याभिजनादि बिहि अप्रख्यापयन् जड़वत् एव विद्वान् लोकमाचरेत् इति योजना. एवं विदः, पर्सन ऑफ दिस टाइप, अहम इति आत्मानं विद्या अभिजनादि बिहि अप्रख्यापयन्. What is abhijana? Abhijanadi means विद्या अभिजनादिभिः. इन कुल, इन गोत्र. In Bhagavad Gita this word comes. आढ्यो विजनवान अस्मि. अभिजनवान अन्योस्ति सदृशो मया. So there it is said, Abhijana means I am of such a great family, such gotra, etc. What do people know? So you should not say any such thing. Vidya Abhijanadi bhi aprakhyapayan. Chupchap you should live. Jadavat eva vidwan lokam acharet iti yojana. This is also not easy, because when you know something and you see people around you, let us say, do some ignorant thing, you have itching to talk. You have itching to tell something. Means in front of Acharya, if they ask some question, or if you are in class and some question is raised, you have to answer. There you should not say, no, I heard Jadaval Lokam Acharet. Jadaval Lokam Acharet in front of others. Iti yojana. So this is complete. Next, Nanu Parapara Devayoho Stuti Purvaka Pranamasya श्राद्धादि क्रियायाश्च कर्तव्यतया प्रतिबंधात् कथम विदुषो जडवदाचरणम् इति तत्राह. पर अपर देवयोः स्तुति पूर्वक प्रणामस्य. पर देवता, अपर देवता, there, so पर देवता you do स्तुति, do namaskar, and अपरा देवता means पितृ आदि, you do श्राद्धादि क्रिया. Or you say Parapara Devayo means Ishvara and other devatas, so Stuti, Namaskar, etc. And Shraddha Kriya for Pitra, कर्तव्यतया प्रतिबंधात्. There is kartavya pratibandha, means this is, you are bound to do this, you have to do this. How can you say, no, I will do jadavar lokam acharanam, I don't know what Bhagavan's murti is there, so I have to do namaskar, I don't know. Iti tatra nistutirnirnamaskaro निस्वदाकार एव च चलाचलनिकेतश्च यतिर्यादृच्छिको भवेत्. यति ही निस्तुतिर भवेत्, निर्नमस्कारो भवेत्, निस्वदाकार एव च भवेत्, चलाचलनिकेतश्च भवेत्, यादृच्छिको भवेत्. यति ही भवेत्. यति is the karta, भवेत् is the kriyapada, everything. Yati should be all this. भवेत्, vidhi, vidhiling is there. So yati should be like this. Nistutihi. He should not do stuti, but main thing is we should not expect stuti from others also. He need not do namaskara, but he should not expect namaskar from others also. Nistutir, nirnamaskara, niswadhakara. He should not do, he need not do any swadha offering. Swadha, swaha means to Pitru, to Devata, etc. And obviously, a yati means a sannyasi has done his own shraddha. So he doesn't expect that somebody will do shraddha, tarpana, anything for him. He has already done everything. Chala chala niketasya. He should be niketa of chala and achala. Chala chala niketa. Yati hi. So chala niketa is shariram. Achala abode. Niketa means abode, dwelling place. Moving dwelling place is body. Non-moving dwelling place is Atma itself. He has two residents. Most of the time he is Atmanishtha. Sometimes when there is lot of hunger or pain due to disease, etc., he becomes Dehanishta. Yadrichiko bhavet. तथापि जीवता क्वापि स्थातव्यत्वात् आश्रयमुद्दिश्य प्रवृत्तेः आवश्यकत्वात् कुतो जडसादृश्यम्. जीवता क्वापि स्थातव्यत्वात्. If a person has to live, it means he has to be alive. He has to live in some place, some kutia is required. जीवता क्वापि स्थातव्यत्वात् आश्रयम् उद्दिश्य प्रवृत्तेः आवश्यकत्वात्. Some ashraya is there, then some pravritti will be there with respect to that ashraya. Avashyakatvat kuto jada sadrishyam. Now you have to remember these shlokas 34 5, 6, 7 and 8, 4 shlokas. First you should see them in the life of Gaudapadacharya ji. Gaudapadacharya ji himself must have lived in this way. And that's why he is able to think in this way. चलाचल निकेतः चलंच अचलंच चलाचले ते निकेतो यस्य आश्रयः स तथा सः चलाचल निकेतः तथा means चलाचल निकेतः. So he has two abodes, chala abode, achala abode, चलाचल निकेतः इति यावत्. तथापि Kaupina, see these things are allowed for sannyasi. Kaupina, achadana, ashana, panadi, deha sthiti prayojaka apekshaya. Means some clothes, minimum, something to cover the body, achadana, like when you sleep, etc. Some blanket, etc. is needed. Ashana, food, and pana, drink. Deha sthiti prayojaka apekshaya. They all are only for, they are deha sthiti prayojaka. They will maintain your physical existence. Apekshaya. Pravritti dravyat. The pravritti dravya means certainly. Dhruva means certain. Dravya means Dhruvasya bhava. Certainly there will be some pravritti for kaupina, achadana, ashana, pana, etc. Na vidushu jadatulyata iti ashakya. How can a wise person be jadatulya? Yatir yadritchiko bhavet. Akanksha purvakam पूर्वार्धाक्षराणि व्याचष्टे. So यादृच्छिको 1 number टिप्पणी. शास्त्रान अनुमत प्रयत्न व्यतिरेको यदृच्छा तया संतुष्टो यादृच्छिका. Yadricha means that kind of thinking which is not prescribed by Shastra. That is your will. What is already prescribed by Shastra, that will not come under Yadricha, because it is already injunction. So Shastran Anumata prayatna vyatireka. Vyatireka means in the absence of that. Shastra anumata prayatna, what is there? Or Shastra ananumata, it could be like that also. Shastra ananumata prayatna. Shastra anumata nahi. Shastra ananumata prayatna vyatireko yadricha. Taya santushta. One of you can see in Yadricha Labha Santushta, Shankara Bhashya in that one. Shastra Ananumata Prayatna means what is not Shastra Anumata is Ananumata. Abhava of that. So, my desire is not against Shastra, but at the same time, it is not prescribed by Shastra. Such will be Yadricha. Tippanikar has given. By that he is santushta. But I think in Gita, here in Bhashya also, Bhagavan Bhashyakar must have given. Yeah, see, Yadrichiko means Yadricha prapta in Bhashya at the last line. Kaupina achadana grasa matra deha sthiti. whatever comes by chance. That is a simple translation. Yadrich, he gives further in tippani, yadricha labdha matrena eva sanjata alam pratyay iti yavat. So whatever comes without demanding, without asking for, sanjata alam pratyaya, the one who has this thinking, yes, everything is fine, iti yavat. यदृच्छा लब्ध मात्रेण एव संजातलम प्रत्यय. नौ भाष्य. कया चर्यया लोकमाचरेत् इत्याह. With what kind of activities or lifestyle? Charya actually means lifestyle. Lokamacharet, one should transact in the world. Ityaha. स्तुति नमस्कारादि सर्व कर्म वर्जित त्यक्त सर्व बाह्येषणः प्रतिपन्न परमहंस पारिव्राज्य इति अभिप्राय. स्तुति नमस्कारादि सर्व कर्म वर्जित. So he doesn't do any stuti, he doesn't do any namaskara, etc. But you know what is said. Not that you go to temple and don't do namaskara, that is not mentioned. Tyakta, this is main. Tyakta sarva bahyeshana. He has no eshanas. Pratipanna paramahamsa parivrajya. And the one who has accomplished paramahamsa parivrajya, sannyasa. Tika. वर्णाश्रमाभिमानवतस् तत्तत् कर्मसु वर्तमानस्य कथमिदं विशेषणम् इति आशंक्यः. Person who is वर्णाश्रमाभिमानवतस् तत्तत् कर्मसु वर्तमानस्य. Person who is engaged in those varna ashrama karma, how will he get this visheshana? स्तुति नमस्कारादि सर्व कर्म वर्जितः. This cannot be visheshana for person who is in varnashrama, having abhimana of them. So it is said, no, tyakta sarva bahyeshana paramahamsa parivrajya. Paramahamsasya parivrajyam pratipattum ashakyam apramanikattvat iti che. Paramahamsa sannyasi is parivrajya. Paramahamsa, so there is one dandi and there is one paramahamsa sannyasi, main. And in dandi then there are three dandi. Eka dandi is simple dandi there. Or then three dandi, they have the three things on top. So they take that danda and they have to follow the necessary things. I had asked a question to somebody that in Shankar Matha, Bhagavan Shankaracharya ji always had danda. Even now, the Shankar Pithadishwaras, they are all dandi swamis. Means the Shankaracharyas, they have danda. But in the same sampradaya, We all don't have that. We are Paramahamsa. So exactly we don't know when this second thing also started. The option of not taking the danda. Yadrichalava means sanjata lampate. Only that means sanjata lampate is given here on the Bhashya also. So Paramahamsasya parivradyam pratipattum ashakyam apramanikata. Somebody says this parivradyam means that he has to be going from place to place. He should not be at one place. This is apramanika. Iti chet naivam. Shruti smriti siddhatvat ityaha. It is siddham in Shruti smriti. Where see in Bhashya first. Etam vai tamatmanam viditva ityadi shrutehe. What is the Shruti number? What is it? Brahadaranyaka 351. So this is where yat sakshad aparokshad brahma, its vyakhyanam is done. This is a very beautiful mantra. 351. 351 you should memorize to some extent, as much as possible. एतं वै तमात्मानं विदित्वा ब्राह्मणाः पुत्रैषणायाश्च वित्तैषणायाश्च लोकैषणायाश्च व्युत्थाय भिक्षाचर्यं चरन्ति. या हेव पुत्रैषणा सा वित्तेषणा, या वित्तेषणा सा लोकैषणा, उभे हि एते ऐषणे एव भवतः. देन् तस्मात् ब्राह्मणः पाण्डित्यं निर्विद्य बाल्येन तिष्ठासेत्, बाल्यं च पाण्डित्यं च निर्विद्य अथ मुनिः, अमौनं च मौनं च निर्विद्य अथ ब्राह्मणः. This part. So here, knowing this, Brahmanaha, having given up all the yashanas, vyuthaya, vyuthanam is from yashanas, dikshacharyam charanti. So the sannyasa injunction is given in Brahadaranyaka. And the other place where sannyasa injunction is given is in 4.4.22. So if you see Tika, where it is given, viditva iti apatikam vedanam vyuthana hetutvena uchyate. So what is given there is Vyuthanam, that Vyuthana Hetu, that is also given again. Kim Prajakatha. It starts with this. Tametam Vedanu Vachanena Brahmana Vividishanti Yaknena Danena Tapasa Nashakena Etameva Viditva Munir Bhavati Etameva Pravrajino परिव्राजकते प्रव्राजिनो लोकमिच्छन्तः प्रव्रजन्ति एतद्धस्म वै तत्पूर्वे विद्वांसः प्रजां न कामयन्ते किं प्रजया करिष्यामो येषां नोऽयमात्मायं लोक इति ते हस्म पुत्रैषणायाश्च वित्तैषणायाश्च लोकैषणायाश्च वृत्ताय भिक्षाचर्यं चरन्ति या ह्येव पुत्रैषणा सा वित्तैषणा या वित्तैषणा सा लोकैषणो उभे येते एषणे एव भवतः स एष नेति नेति आत्मा. So here also same portion is also there. Putreshana, Vitteshana, Lokeshana, Vyuthaya, Bhikshacharya, Charanti. So that Eshana, Vyuthanam. These two you remember. 3, 5, 1, 4, 4, 22. Vyuthana Hetutvena Uchyate. So here Viditva is Paroksha Jnana. Knowing, then I take sannyasa. That sannyasa is Vividisha sannyasa. Then I strive for knowing. Third tippani apatikam अप्रामाण्य ज्ञानास्कंदितम इत्यर्थः संशयादि ग्रस्तम इति आव. There संशय विपर्य is there. व्युत्थान हेतुत्वेन उच्यते. तस्मिन्नेव परस्मिन् वस्तुनि विषयांतरेभ्यो व्यावृत्ता बुद्धिर्येषाम् इति. So now Smriti is quoted. Tad buddhayas tadatmanas tannishtha satparayanaha gacchantya punaravrittim jnana nirdhuta kalmashaha. Tad buddhayaha. So tad buddhaya is given. Tasminneva parasmin vastuni buddhi yesham vishayantarebhyo vyavritta. From other vishaya that buddhi is vyavritta. So that buddhi is moved from that. Vishayantarebhya means from other vishaya no buddhi. Means buddhi only in this thing, Brahma. Iti. Tatha. Tadeva param vastu atma nirupacharitam. This is tadatmanaha. Tadatmanaha. Tadeva param vastu atma nirupacharitam swarupam yesham te tatha uchyante. They are called tadatmanaha. So tad buddha means those who have buddhi in Brahma. Tadatmanaha means those who are one with that Brahma. Tadeva param vastu atma nirupacharitam swarupam yesham. Whose swarupa has become one with that. Te tatha uchyante. Then ityadi smritesya. Further, tasminneva parasmin. This is tannishtha. Parasmin atmani nishtha. Nishchayena sthiti. Yesham. Te tatha. Te tatha means tannishtha. So this is from which chapter in Gita? 5th chapter. 570. Gita has lot of important ideas which are all from Shastra, Upanishads, etc. Tatparayana. Tadeva atmabhutam vastu param. Atmabhutam param vastu paramayanam paragatihi yesham te tatha. So this atmabhutam param vastu is paramayanam, is the supreme abode. This is paragati. They are called parayana. Te tatha. Only this much is enough for jnana nishtha. This much line of Gita. Tad buddhayaha, tad atmanaha, tad nishthaha, tad parayana. param ayanam means paragati. This is the only destination I have. ते तथा इत्याह तत्परायणः. आदि शब्देन सर्वकर्माणि मनसा सर्वकर्म मनसा सर्वकर्माणि संन्यास्य. So physically, if I cannot give up all karmas, at least mentally I have renounced. Sarvakarmani manasa sannyasya aste sukham vashi, in this body of 9 gates. Vashi means with controlled mind and senses. He lives here. Navadvare pure dehi naiva kurva nakaraya. Means knowing that I am Atma, I am not doing anything, I am not making anyone do anything. जो जैसे चल रहा है चलने दो बस, let it go on. कदा पुनश्चलो देहो विदुषो निकेतो भवति तथा. Now this चला चल निकेता. So first in Bhashya, चलम शरीरम प्रतिक्षणम अन्यथा भावात. शरीर is प्रतिक्षणम अन्यथा भावात. Every moment it is something else only. चलम शरीरम प्रतिक्षणम अन्यथा भावात. अचलम आत्मतत्व. First just understand. Chalam means shariram, achalam means atmatattva. He has 2 niketa. Chala, achala, niketa. यदा कदाचित भोजनादि व्यवहार निमित्तम आकाशवत अचल रूपम आत्मतत्वम आत्मनो निकेतम आश्रयम आत्मस्थितिम विस्मृत्य अहमिति मन्यते तदा मन्यते यदा तथा चलो देहो निकेतो. I will just check. Yada tada, not tatha. I knew there is something wrong here. Tada chalo deho niketo yasya. When does he have the chala sharira? Achala sharira is there all the time because he is तद्बुद्धयः or तद्बुद्धिः. In ekvachana it will become तद्बुद्धिः, तदात्मा, तन्निष्ठः, तत्परायणः. So Atma, achala sharira is there. But when bhojanadi vyavahara if he has to do, so then what he does? Akashavad achala rupam atmatattvam atmano niketam vismritya. He forgets that I am one with Atma, and suddenly he identifies with body. In other words, it is expected that all the time he abides in Atma only. The Bhashyakara has written, so this is how he also must be always abiding in the self. Aham iti manyate yada, but when he identifies with body and thinks I am this, when he is hungry, etc. Tada chalo deho niketo yasya, then his niketa is chala, moving. So ayameva chala chala niketo vidwan. न पुनर्बाह्य विषयाश्रय. बाह्य विषय either body or आत्मा, बस forget outside. टीका अविवक्षिते ही काल विशेषे विवक्षितम व्यवहारम निमित्तीकृत्य आत्मस्थितिम उक्त विशेषणवतिम विस्मृत्य अविवक्षिते ही काल विशेषे विवक्षितम व्यवहारम निमित्तीकृत्य. That time which is not vivakshita means which is not already defined, well known that when this will happen, etc. Vivakshitam vyavaharam, this vyavahara which is discussed here, nimitti kritya. In other words, when that body identification comes and I will move from achala deha to chala deha, that I don't know. But some vyavahara can trigger it. निमित्ति कृत्य विवक्षितम व्यवहारम निमित्ति कृत्य आत्मस्थितिम उक्त विशेषणवतिम विस्मृत्य. At that time आत्मस्थिति he forgets and he moves into देह स्थिति. अहंकार ममकार परवशो यदा विद्वान अवतिष्ठते तदा इति योजना. Then he gets succumbed to ahankara mamakara, paravasha. Vismritya, third number टिप्पणी says, ततो विमुखी भूया. स्वभावतः अचलम आत्मस्वरूपम एव अस्य निकेतनम. Normally, स्वभावतः अचल आत्मस्वरूप itself is his abode. Only in rare instances he will move to chala niketa, from achala niketa to chala niketa. चलम पुनः शरीरम उपदर्शित विस्मरण द्वारेण इति निगमयति. चलम शरीरम because उपदर्शित विस्मरण द्वारा, some nimitta is there because of which he forgets that I have achala sharira or achala niketana. He goes to chala niketana. In other words, he has no home. Only this, Atma and Deha, that's all. यतिर यादृच्छिको भवेत् सच यादृच्छिको भवेत्. यदृच्छा प्राप्त कौपीन आच्छादन ग्रास. Grass means morsel of food. So for all these, matra deha sthiti. Body you have to maintain only. For maintaining body you need some vastra, some achadana, it will cold weather, and some food, etc. अविदुषो विशेषार्थम व्यावर्त्यम कीर्तयति न पुनः न पुनर्बाह्य विषयाश्रय. Avidwan is eliminated. Why? Because Jnani is not Bahya Vishaya Ashraya. Bahya Vishayo Ashraya Yasya. और बाह्य विषयाश्रयो यस्य सह बाह्य विषय आश्रयः. Jnani doesn't have that. चतुर्थ पाद यादृच्छिक भवे। लास्ट कारिका अहमेव परम ब्रह्म न मत्तो अन्यदस्ति किंचित इति स्मृति संततिकरणम अपि न काल विशेष नियतम किंतु नैरंतर्येण कर्तव्यम इत्याह। दिस स्मृति शुड बी डन नैरंतर्येण। अहमेव परम ब्रह्म न मत्तः अन्य, other than me there is nothing. So in Shankaranandi Gita, most of you remember, those who have studied under us, repeatedly this phrase comes that I am Param Brahma. Mattah anyat nanyat na asti kinchit. Other than me there is nothing. Means other than me, Chaitanya Rupa Brahma, there is nothing else. There is no Jada Srishti, etc. Iti Smriti Santati Karanam. Smriti Santati, that Smriti Satata should remain. Mind should be calm and this thought should be entertained as much as possible for longer and longer duration. Smriti Santati Karanam. Na Kala Visheshaniyata. Not morning 6 to 6:30 I am doing Nididhyasana. Kintu Nairantaryena Kartavyam. So this is, see that half hour or 45 minutes or sessions of Nididhyasana, they are helpful. But this Smriti Santati should be there all the time. Very nice. Ityaha Tattvam Adhyatmikam Drashtva Tattvam Drashtva Tubahyatah Tattvi Bhutastadaramas तत्वाद प्रच्युतो भवेत्। तत्वम आध्यात्मिकं दृष्ट्वा तत्वम तु बाह्यतः दृष्ट्वा। Adhyatmikam, one number tippani says, Sharira Adhishthanam. Adhyatmikam means that inside the body. Seeing the Tattvam within, Bahyataha outside, Akashadi Bahyanam Adhishthanam. So Adhyatmikam Tattvam will be the support of Panchakoshas. Adhyatmika Bahyataha Tattvam will be support of Panchamahabhuta. When I was teaching Pancharasi here in Kailash, I had not this sloka, Panchadashi I was teaching, but in that I had given one idea, and I myself like it. I mean, if you like it, you have to come out with your own things. See, here when we have Aarti in Kailash, in the morning Aarti has 3 lamps. In that Pancha Aarti, only 3 lamps they will put, not 5. For both Shankaracharya ji as well as Shivji. And evening Aarti will have all 5. All 5 diyas will be there. So we will have two artis. We have to do namaskar at the end. So I said these two five, what you should understand. One five, set of five is Pancha Mahabhuta. And the other five is Panchakosha. Because in Panchadashi, second chapter is called Mahabhuta Viveka, Pancha Mahabhuta Viveka. And third chapter is called Panchakosha Viveka. So both are 5. And the Chaitanya in these 5, Panchakosha, and Sat in the Pancha Mahabhuta. Because the second chapter of Panchadashi, Pancha Mahabhuta Viveka, has Sadeva Somya Idamagra Asi. That Sat is there in all 5. So Sat is there in Pancha Mahabhuta and Chit is there in Panchakosha, the two artis. So when you take that arti, you have to remember, I am the Sat in Pancha Mahabhuta and I am the Chit in Panchakosha. This is the purpose of taking arati. What is that? I am the Sat in the Pancha Mahabhuta and I am the Chit in Panchakosha. So when I said that, people really liked it. जैसे स्वामी जी हमको किसने ये नहीं बताया, तो ऐसे ऐसे सब करके जाते हैं. मैंने कहा ये कुछ बताता थोड़ी है. Nobody tells. You have to come out with your own idea to do meditation. That vritti should continue. And in the morning it is 3. So 3 shariras you take in the body and 3 avasthas. Jagrat Prapancha, so Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti, the 3 avasthas, and 3 Sharira, Sthula, Sukshma, Karana, Sharira. So Sharira Traya and Prapancha Traya in the morning, and Pancha Mahabhuta and Pancha Kosha in the evening. Somehow I have to remember I am that Sat Chit, and they are not different. So, tattvam adhyatmikam drashtva, tattvam drashtatu bahyata. In both it will apply. Shariratraya and Prapanchatraya. Or Avasthatraya you can say. Shariratraya and Avasthatraya. And Pancha Mahabhuta and Panchakosha. In both there is tattvam, Satchidananda Swarupam, drashtva. Tattvi bhudaha tadaramaha tattvadatprachuto bhavet. Tattvi bhudaha, the one who has become identified with that tattva, tad aramaha, and the one who has that alone for his delight, ramanam. Tattvadatprachuto bhavet. He will not deviate from the truth. Aprachyuta. Tika adhyatmikam shariradi kalpitam tattvam adhisthana matram drishtva bahyato dehat bahihi avasthitam. So adhyatmikam means shariradi which are kalpitam. Adhyatmikam shariradi kalpitam. Tattvam adhisthana matram. Tattvam is the adhishthanam of that. Drishtva. And bahyataha dehat bahihi avasthitam prithivyaadi cha kalpitatvena. Prithivyaadi which are also, because they are kalpita, they are avastu. Avastutvat adhisthana matram eva. So kalpita vastu is nothing but adhisthana itself. They do not have their own reality. So sharira also is nothing but Brahma. Pancha koshas are also nothing but Brahma. Pancha Mahabhuta is also nothing but Brahma. अनुष्ठानमात्रम् एव इति अनुभूय स्वयमपि द्रष्टा परमार्थवस्तुस्वभावम् आपन्नः. I am also that drashta परमार्थवस्तुस्वभावम् आपन्नः तत्रैव आसक्तचेता. There only my chitta is asakta in परमार्थवस्तु. बाह्येभ्यो व्यावृत्त बुद्धि, and from बाह्य विषय my buddhi is व्यावृत्त, withdrawn. तस्मिन्नेव तत्वे परमार्थभूते प्रतिष्ठितः तद्दर्शननिष्ठः स्यात्. In that परमार्थ वस्तु alone, परमार्थभूते तत्वे, withdrawn from all other things, प्रतिष्ठितः, abiding in it, तद्दर्शननिष्ठः. Darshana means this vritti that I am Brahma alone. Other than Brahma there is nothing. Remaining in this wisdom is what is required. Nishtha syat ityarthah. पृथिव्या देहे देहादेश्य प्रत्येकं परमार्थत्व संभवे कथम अद्वैत निष्ठा सिद्ध्येत. Now somebody says पृथिव्यादि बाह्य तत्व, देहादि आध्यात्मिक. If everything is Brahma, प्रत्येकं परमार्थत्व संभवे, then where is Advaitam? So many Brahmas are there now. कथम अद्वैत निष्ठा सिद्ध्येत इति आशंक्य व्याचष्टे बाह्यम. Now Bhashya is beginning, so this part we will see tomorrow, and tomorrow we can conclude this portion. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांतिः. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.